everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Talks. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Ben. Today we have a super useful topic, how to talk to anyone with confidence.
Yes, many English learners feel shy or nervous when speaking, but don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll have simple phrases and tips to sound more confident in English.
That's right. So stay with us, repeat after us, and remember to follow or subscribe for more fun English lessons every week.
Let's start with the first step, starting a conversation.
Good idea. Many people don't know how to begin, but it's actually easy. You can start with a friendly question.
For example, "Hi, how are you?" Or, "Hey, how's your day going?"
Exactly. Simple and friendly. Let's practice. Repeat after us. Hi, how are you? Hey, how's your day going?
Good job. You sound great.
You can also use comments to start a chat. For example, I like your jacket, or it's a nice day today.
Yes, small compliments help people feel comfortable.
Let's repeat again. I like your jacket. It's a nice day today. Perfect.
Now, what happens after the first hello? How do you keep talking?
Good question. You can ask simple follow-up questions. For example, what do you do? Or where are you from?
Yes, and you can also share something about yourself, like, "I'm from India. What about you?"
Nice and natural. Remember, conversation is like ping pong. One person talks, then the other.
Let's practice that together. Ben, ask me something.
Okay, where are you from?
"I'm from Canada. What about you?"
I'm from the UK. Great, that's how it works.
Let's repeat, listeners. Where are you from? "I'm from blank. What about you?"
Excellent, you're improving already.
Now, let's talk about confidence. You don't need perfect English to speak confidently.
Yes, confidence is about your tone, smile, and eye contact.
Exactly. And speak slowly. Don't rush.
You can say things like, let me think, or that's a good question. It gives you time to speak.
Right. Let's practice these. Repeat after us. "Let me think. That's a good question."
Great job.
Also, if you don't understand something, you can say, "Can you say that again, please?" Or, "Sorry, what do you mean?"
Perfect. That's how confident speakers sound, polite and calm.
Let's repeat those too. "Can you say that again, please?" "Sorry, what do you mean?"
Fantastic.
Okay, let's review what we learned today.
We talked about starting a conversation. Hi, how are you? Keeping it going. Where are you from? Speaking with confidence. Let me think. Or, can you say that again, please?
That's right. You're doing amazing. Remember, confidence comes with practice.
So, listen again, repeat, and try using these phrases in real life.
And here's our question for you. What's one English phrase that makes you feel confident when you speak?
Tell us in the comments. We'd love to read your answers.
Thank you for listening